If you have been looking for a way that you can actually lighten or brighten up your skin without using a body lotion, you are the type that don't like body lotions because you feel like maybe they make you sweat and you just don't like them in general, this video is for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to brighten or lighten up your skin without using a body lotion. This body care routine is just basic. You're going to be needing 4 products. It is ideal for beginners and you don't want to do too much, or personally you don't like using body lotions and you want to still lighten up your skin or want to brighten up your skin. You want to tone up your skin a bit and appear radiant and brighter. Okay, if this kind of video is a video that you're interested to watch, then sit back, let's dive into that video. So the very first product I'm going to recommend it for you if you want to lighten or brighten your skin, okay, without using a body lotion, will have to be a bar soap. And on this channel we do what is called pre-cleansing. You're going to be needing a pre-cleansing bar soap, a bar soap that will actually help to get rid of dirt, oil build up on your skin, you know, prep your skin and get your skin ready for the brightening products that you're going to be using in this routine. This routine is going to be packed with a lot of brightening products, so you're going to be prepping your skin the right way so that your skin will be ready and know that something is about to come its way. And for pre-cleansing bar soap, I'm going to be recommending this one from Dove. This one is Dove Pampering Bar Soap. This one is the Beauty Cream Bar with shea butter and warm vanilla scent. It smells like vanilla. If you have used a particular bar soap, you will be able to identify what I'm trying to explain in this video. This one actually helps to cleanse your body, prep your body. It is mild on your skin, smells amazing. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using in your morning bath routine. Okay, this is the only thing I'm going to use in your morning bath routine. But when it comes to your night bath routine, you would be using it and another brightening bar soap. Okay, because in the morning I will not advise you to use your brightening bar soap in the morning because you're going to go out there under the sun and your skin is going to react with the harmful UV ray and you might not be getting the good result that you actually want. The main reason why we don't actually get good result when it comes to lightening products or brightening products is that we tend to use these products in the morning, okay, and not at night. If you use these products at night, you're going to achieve a glowy and seamless result. So this is the bar soap that you're going to use and pre-cleanse, and this is the bar soap that you're going to use for your morning bath routine. This Dove bar soap, it is affordable and it works. Okay, it's going to leave your skin looking luxurious, smelling good. Okay, you're going to actually be building a good scent once you use this bar soap. You're going to be smelling like you have a lot of money in your bank account. So after your pre-cleansing at night, okay, the next bar soap that you're going to be using would be this one from Ashanti. This is Ashanti Papaya and Honey bar soap. I've given a detailed review on this bar soap on this channel. Okay, and this is a very good brightening bar soap. A lot of people came out to say that this bar soap has been their OG for the longest. So I know what I'm saying whenever I bring up products here on this channel or whenever I recommend products for you. I know what I'm saying, and I will not recommend something that I don't personally use. If you look at my skin, you will see that my skin pops, my skin eats, my skin is glowy, and my skin is radiant. I look like what I am preaching. So this is the reason why you have to listen to me. This bar soap is best to be used at night, not in the morning. Okay, if you have that sensitive skin, if you have a skin that refuses to glow, get this bar soap. You would see that your skin will pop. This bar soap contains papaya, it contains honey, and it also contains AHA, BHA, and Q10. And AHA and BHA would help to gently exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cell. Q10 will help to give you a new skin, and the honey in this bar soap would actually serve as a humectant that would help to moisturize your skin and give you a fresh looking skin. The pawpaw would help to lighten up your skin and give you that skin that you never thought you could ever get in this life. Yes, it will help to brighten your skin, it will help to lighten your skin, it will help to give you a more radiant, visible skin. Okay, it will help to brighten up your skin and take it from looking a 0 to a solid 10. This bar soap is best for you to cut it, into 3. Okay, I've actually cut the first 2 out. Then if I'm going to use it again, I'm going to just using just this bar. One of my subscribers told me that she normally cut her own into 4. The reason why you have to cut this soap is because it's actually like dissolves, it melts easily when it comes in contact with air and water. It easily oxidizes. Okay, and if you get any soap that easily oxidizes, the best thing for you to do is to cut it into pieces and then use it like that. This soap, okay, forms a lot, and it will help to gently exfoliate your skin so well. Okay, whenever I'm using this soap, okay, I will actually use it to scrub my body and leave it onto my skin for some minutes, maybe 2 minutes, before I will now go ahead and rinse it off. But if you have a very dry skin, do not leave this soap onto your skin. Once you are done scrubbing your body, just go ahead and pour water and rinse off this soap, okay? And this soap will give you that result, the results they are looking for in this body care routine. The next product you're going to be needing if you want to lighten or brighten up your skin this 2025 and you are on a tight budget would be this one from Dr. Mania. This is Dr. Mania Alpha Abutin Scrub, okay? If you have dead skin cell on your skin, there's no how your skin will pop, there's no how your skin will glow, there's no how your skin will be glowy and your skin will be radiant. You have to first of all get rid of your dead skin cell and have a new skin, a new fresh skin on the surface of your skin. Do you understand? There's no how you can have clogged pores and you're expecting these products to work and work effectively. So I'm going to tell you how to use this body scrub to achieve this brighter skin that I'm talking about in this video. So on the nights that you're going to exfoliate, you're going to pick just 2 nights in a week that you're going to exfoliate in, okay? I don't exfoliate every day. I exfoliate Tuesday night and Saturday night. And on the night I'm going to exfoliate, I will go ahead and use my Dove bar soap to have my first cleanse, okay? If you're exfoliating a dirty skin, there's no how you're going to be having a good result. I have a detailed video where I talked about how to exfoliate your skin, but I'm just going to run down everything that you need to know. But if you want to actually see me exfoliate, you should watch that video, okay? So if I bait with my Dove bar soap, once I'm done baiting my Dove bar soap using my African nail sponge, I will now go ahead and use my exfoliating gloves, okay, to exfoliate my skin using this body scrub. This is what this body scrub look like. This is what it looks like. It's a sugar scrub that will actually help to exfoliate your skin the right way. So you're going to use it and exfoliate your body, scrub your body, concentrate on your elbow, your knee, your knuckles, your toes, so that you don't have discoloration. You know that this part of our body that has joints, okay, tends to move a lot, and we tend to actually have discoloration on that part of the body often than we would have on other surface of our skin. This part of my body now will not be prone to hyperpigmentation easily than my elbow. I don't know if you're understanding my point. So once I'm done using this scrub to scrub my body, I would wait for 5 minutes, okay? I will leave it onto my skin for 5 minutes, and then I will now go ahead and use my brightening bar soap to bait. This is my secret. Grab my secret, write it down, okay? This is my main secret. I'm going to actually use my brightening bar soap, okay, which is from Ashanti, the Ashanti honey and papaya bar soap, to now bait again. I'm not going to use any sponge when I'm doing this particular step. I'm going to just use my hand, make the soap to lather, okay, lather it up and make it to foam. Then I'll use it and apply it on my body just like this, and then leave it onto my skin for a minute, and then I will rinse off. The reason why I go in with my brightening bar soap when I'm done exfoliating is because my skin pores are open. My skin is fresh. My skin is new. My dead skin cells have been washed away and new skin has evolved. So I have to now, use my brightening product to furthermore make this product to work for me. This is the way that I do it that makes my skin to pop, okay? When you are done exfoliating from the shower, the next thing you're going to go in with will have to be a brightening body oil, okay? Since you're not going to be using a body lotion, okay, you're going to be using a body oil that would help to lock in moisture, seal in moisture, and also help to brighten your skin and give you a radiant and brighter looking skin. And for body oils, you guys already know that I will recommend this one from Desire. This is Desire Vitamin C body oil. Get the particular one that is vitamin C and thank me later. I only use this body oil at night. I don't use it in my morning skincare routine, although there are some mornings that I will use it only on the days I'm not going to leave my house. The days I am certain 101% sure that I'm going to stay indoors, because the sun in Nigeria is not for the weak, okay? So I will say that you go ahead and use your body oil to lock in moisture. This oil is lightweight. Let me show you. It's lightweight. It drops easily onto your skin. Let me blend it in so that you will see the glow that will come from this body oil. Look at the hand that I just applied the body oil, and then look at the hand that does not have the body oil. Can you see? You cannot compare these two, okay? So you're going to take your time and apply this body oil on your skin. Take your time and massage it onto your skin. This is another of my secrets. Grab it, okay? If I am applying my body oil, I am as patient as ever. Like, you can never see me rush when I'm applying my body oil. I will make sure I go in circular motions, try and, moisturize everywhere, target my knuckles, target my elbow, my knee, my toes, and also other parts of my body, and then apply it gently and effectively. I'll make sure that it spreads out evenly, okay? It spreads out evenly. Once you take your time to apply this product, you're going to be seeing a good result. Do not be in a hurry when you are doing your body care routine. Fine girl, fine boy, do not be in a hurry when you are applying your body care product. You don't have to be in a rush. If you're in a rush, they will not, sink into your skin. But if you take your time and keep going and keep going and keep going like this, it will keep penetrating into your skin, so that whenever friction occurs, that part of your body will not look dry. If you have watched my video where I talked about how to get rid of your dark knuckles, you will notice that one thing I said in that video is that once your body is dry, your body is prone to discoloration. But if your body is not dry, if your body is moisturized, there is no how your body will not give what it's supposed to give. There's no how your body will not be, even. There's no how your body will not pop. There's no how your skin will not give. There's no how you not have a brighter skin, okay? And that is it, my love. This is the simple, basic, and yet affordable but effective body care routine that can give you a brighter looking skin or a lighter looking skin, depends on the one that you are going for, okay? This is the routine that can do this job for you, okay? If you want to achieve a brighter looking skin this year 2025, use these products that I just recommended in this video and come back with your testimonies. Please remember to come back with your testimonies. Come back to the comment section to thank me, okay? And if you have watched for the point of the video and yet subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that I'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Like this video, like my videos, please, and also share the video to someone that that is looking for that basic body care routine that will get the job done. And remember to leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of these products that you already use, and tell me how effective it is on the surface of your skin, or even tell me the one I did not even mention that you use. If you feel like you want me to know, okay, I'm always inquisitive. I would want to know, okay? And also tell me in the comment section the ones that you're going to be trying out, the ones that you're going to add into your body care routine because you just watched this video. And until next time, my love, stay glowy as a queen and a king that you are, and bye.